Hi, everybody. This is your announcement for College 101 for the week of June 22nd. This is week 5 of the summer session. We are about halfway through with our 10-week session. So it's going by, summer always goes fast, and this is not an exception. So we continue on. Now, last week, we learned all about time management. And one thing that really concerns me is the last thing that was assigned, I think it was due on Friday, the 19th, was the ideal schedule. Only 3 people completed that assignment. So if you're out there and you haven't turned that in, please turn that in. There's falling behind, if once you fall behind, it's hard to get caught up. So try not to. And if there's something going on, and you need to talk to me about it, please talk to me. Okay, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help, and I will, try to work with you, within reason, so that you can be successful in this class. And I have to tell you, I will work with you, and I do take late assignments. But once you get into other college classes, every professor is going to be different. So it's good to get into the habit of getting your work done on time so that you don't run into more difficult situations later on down the road. Okay. All right. So, yeah, kind of, I don't mean to scold you this morning or today, but I'm kind of concerned. Okay, today is Father's Day, so I record these on Sundays. If you are a father out there, happy Father's Day to you. Okay, so we move on in our class. We continue. We are just in perpetual motion here. And we continue now to Module 4. Okay, so Module 4 is all about goal setting and choices. Okay, so by choices, we're talking about the choices that you're going to make for your life, excuse me, and for your career, your professional career. Okay, so here's the overview page. Make sure you look at that. There are quite a few assignments this week. Okay, so starting on Tuesday, there is something due pretty much every day this week. Okay, so that's why I'm concerned. You have to stay on top of this. Okay. Okay, so each of these pages is important for the module, and it's necessary for you to read each of these so that you can complete all of the assignments. This first page is about goal setting. Goal setting is an interesting thing, and I think it's something that continues throughout one's life. At least I hope so. And frankly, it's something I've never been very good at, and I don't know why that is. But I try to do it, and I have set goals for myself, and I've met a lot of those goals, and I'm trying to continue to do that even in my life. But I think it's hard. I think it's hard to identify goals. So this module is to help you learn processes, sort of mental processes that you can employ to help you to identify goals for yourself. So, like I said, each of these pages is important. Okay, here's your question for this week, for the announcement, for your bonus extra credit point. What was the last goal you set for yourself in your life? Okay, so you can respond to that in the comments below this announcement. Okay, going back to our module. All right, so we have the secrets of goal setting. Okay, so it's this short thing here, but very helpful about how to set meaningful goals. Okay, now, this is another part of the module that's very important. This is called the Choices 360 Interest Profiler. So what you're going to do here is you're going to access this website, and this is just a document that shows you how to access the website. So it's all web-based. You don't need a password or anything like that. You just set up an account, and then you get a code. Um, I hope this works out. If you have troubles with this, please let me know. Okay, so anyway, you're going to let me just show you this. You're going to access this website. If I can get my preview to work. Oh, okay. I guess it came up in a document here. So if you look at this PDF document, okay, so this shows you how to access the website. Okay, and so you're going to take, it's like a little survey to help you to identify where your interests lie, where your sort of career and your academic interests lie. Okay, and it's very easy, and I don't even think you need like a special number or anything, or password or PIN number. Oh, there is. Oh, I'm sorry, I lied. And this one right here. Okay, again, let me know if this gives you problems. Okay, but I think it should work out. All right, so you complete that survey. Okay, so, and you're going to want to save it for yourself. So save it on your computer, print it, whatever you have to do. Okay, because you're going to need that for this assignment. Okay, so this is where you tell me what the results were of your Choices 360 survey. Okay, so I've made it so that you can either just type in what you got or upload a file. Okay, so you should be able to do that pretty easily. You can copy and paste right into the text box if that is easier for you. Okay, then you're going to complete a worksheet on academic and possible degrees. Okay, so this worksheet is going to help you to figure out what your interests are academically and where that kind of points to as far as your the degree that you would like to earn. Okay, so make sure you complete that. And this is just, you did it or you didn't do it. Okay, so pretty simple rubric there. If you didn't do it, you don't get credit for it. Okay, this is another page on goals, how to set goals, and this is a very helpful video, how to write a SMART goal. So it actually takes you through the process of how to write a good goal for yourself. Okay, so make sure you watch that. That's also required. Everything's required. Okay, then I want you to write a success plan. Okay, and I've got a worksheet here for you to do that. Okay, so there are questions that you answer and then you just upload that file. And this is a more complicated, okay, this is a more involved rubric, so I'm going to grade you on all these criteria for this assignment. Okay, then the next thing you'll do is the mini goal worksheet. And so you complete this worksheet and this will help you to set your goals. And so it's nice because you can, okay, I had to stop just for a moment there. My phone rang. So I was talking about the mini goal worksheet here. So this is your next assignment. And I'm not talking about due dates. This is due June 24th. So you complete this, and so, okay, now I remember what I was saying. So what you're going to do is, instead of writing like big lofty goals, like I'm going to be successful in my life. Okay, well, what does that mean? The mini goal worksheet helps you to set smaller, more realistic goals, and then mini goals to help you to reach your overall goals. Okay, so that is what you're going to do, and you just you can download this, fill it in, and then upload it right up to your assignment. Okay, so the next thing in the module is your academic plan for next semester. So this will help you figure out which courses you need to take in order to complete your degree program. Okay, so this is a nice worksheet you can complete, and so we just need you to upload that completed planner to this assignment. Okay, all right, and last, this is a short essay of 2 paragraphs on how your academic goals will help you achieve your life career goals. Okay, so in other words, how will the goals that you set for yourself for college help you to reach the goals that you've set for yourself for your life and your career? Okay, so that's 2 paragraphs, which would be 5 sentences per paragraph. Okay, and then I will be using this rubric to grade your work with. All right, so I believe that is what's happening in the module for this week. So you can see there's a lot to do. Okay, so just to make sure you see when all the due dates are. All right, so your first due date is June 23rd, which is Tuesday. Okay, they got 2 things due on June 23rd, the choices and the academic and career focus worksheet. And then on the 24th, you have your success plan and the mini goal worksheet due. Then on Friday the 26th, you have your academic plan and your goal setting reflection essay due. Okay, now you can do any of these ahead of time. All right, so it doesn't feel like everything's due all at once. But please try to get everything in on time so that you don't fall behind, and it just gets more and more difficult to get caught up. Okay, so that's what's happening for this week. Once again, let me know if I can help you in any way, and I hope you all have a really great week. And don't forget, you can earn your extra credit point by answering the question that I asked earlier in the video. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.